Being a salesman is it's not a very easy job. You are in the front for all the good things and the bad things. You are the one who's responsible because the client will go to kick your ass.
Proptel yra IT įmonė, pardavinėjom palidovinės transporto stebėjimo sistemas.
We have a different range of products from software and hardware, and basically we offer a full solution.
Šiai dienai dirbam su 117 berods valstybių.
The beginning was hard. You get a lot of information. First start calling the clients, you feel hands a little bit shaking. Clients are asking some questions that you have no idea of. You feel of yourself, how in the world I can learn all of this information?
Aš vis laiką jiems sakau, yra čia kaip kalnas, kur atrodo, wow, kaip aukštai, kiek čia daug visko išmokt. Tada jau kai jau išmokai, jau to įeisiu į komforto zoną, supranti dar kiek daug nežinai.
When you come, you find a pretty good group of people. Always like someone will be willing to help.
We can go? Please come in.
We're entering to Middle East. Want to switch markets for a while? Mexico.
Fair enough.
And now here we have Paulus and Ezra and Ferhat. So it's a pretty international team, as you can see. Pavel again.
Salam alaikum. Добрый день. Here we are in the Russian department, and here is the boss of the department, DJ Vadim. He's also, he's not just the boss, he's also a DJ. My work is to build a relationship.
Tai vieni eina per santykį su klientu, tai draugeliai ten kartu kažkur tai pasišneka Facebook'uose, ten viens kitą palaikina.
I even know their wives' names, children names.
Kiti labiau mėgsta nuskrist pas klientą periodiškai.
To go and meet with them, everything becomes like much more serious.
So we're here.
Tai mes toleruojam įvairius būdus tam, kad kiekvienas surastų tą, kuris jam tinka labiausiai ir su kurio gali geriausią rezultatą pasiekti.
I never had this feeling that I have to go to work. I like it.
Manau, didžioji dalis yra pats kolektyvas, kuris atkūrė tą atmosferą. Ir vadovai stengiasi nesugadinti tos atmosferos.